Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on the first glance of the movie Vikram.
Yes, and we have the versatile guru Kamal Hassan sir
Yes.
in this movie. So I think Vikram movie का थोड़ा बहुत झलक हमें दिखने को
I
मिला
think
था.
that was
Just
the
a first
poster.
look.
Poster, I
हाँ,
guess.
poster. Yes.
Red color of poster
Correct.
was there and
हाँ, of
Vikram,
Kamal Hassan
Vikram
sir.
it was written,
Vikram it
yes.
was written, and my God, that poster actually was giving us thrill that time, and now this is the first glance of this movie. So maybe it is very small, 48 second only, but
Right.
yes, like we'll be like getting to know a little more.
Little more about this
Right,
movie,
about this
yes.
movie.
And
Little
this
more
movie
context.
is written and directed by Lokesh
Kanagraj, yes, Lokesh Kanagraj,
Yes.
the famous one.
Right.
Actually, he's
and the music
supreme.
is given by Anirudh
Ravichandran,
Ravichandran.
another famous one.
Yes.
Okay, and the movie is produced by Kamal Hassan sir and R. Mahendran. Okay,
So Kamal Hassan sir's its own production.
own
house,
production
right?
house, yes. So let's get started. We'll be talking more about this movie, and yeah, if you love our reaction, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
Oh, full action.
This is the first glance.
One more time.
Yes, of
One more
course.
time.
We'll love to see this.
Yes,
First
yes.
glance and
One more time.
of course.
Wow. Yeah, he's shooter.
Ooh.
Wow. I'm getting goosebumps, you know. I'm getting thrilled.
The way the
The
music, I
BGM.
love the music. The BGM was super.
Anirudh.
Anirudh, man.
Anirudh, I don't
You
need
are
an
a masterpiece,
introduction.
man.
He is supreme, I think, man.
Yes.
I just think like he's a very young star, right? He's a young
Yeah.
star.
Not
And
that
he has
much.
a lot more to do. Already he is doing a lot, I think. What else he will do?
Yes,
I'm
of course.
thinking.
All the big movies nowadays.
Yes,
he
is
the
only
music
handling.
director.
He
right?
is doing
in
a,
RRR
he is
also,
doing a, in a
right?
fabulous way in RRR.
Yes, he is
Master.
there, right? Master.
मतलब क्या बोले? This actually the whole video is the showstopper. Here is the BGM only.
BGM,
What
BGM,
we
of
can
course,
think.
right.
The BGM is supreme.
BGM was giving us the thrill, the how
Ah.
the movie can be.
Can be.
This
It's
movie
an
I
action
felt
movie.
like it's an action movie, full
Yes,
on
full
action
on
movie.
action movie,
But
yes.
seriously, I didn't get the context of what it will be based upon.
Actually,
right?
he is just calculating that this time को वो आएगा and this time को मुझे मतलब बच के जाना है. मतलब he is doing the calculation. That is why the smartwatch he was like seeing, and when like he's the first
Well,
glance was coming.
That is just
he was
a
just
small glance.
Glance, right,
But,
yes.
Overall, what this
No,
movie is there,
yeah.
I'm not able to predict. Right?
Maybe he is the prisoner and he is trying to escape from the jail.
But here one thing I will tell
Ah.
you, because I haven't seen the prisoners in actual here, because
Ah.
all of them are get up in a normal,
Normal
kind of
civil
dress,
dress
right? A
only,
civil
yes.
dress only. So
Correct.
I'm not sure
Ah.
he is the prisoner or he is the police officer,
officer.
protecting the
Ah.
prisoners or something
वो भी
else.
हो
Because a
सकता है.
lot of the
Yes.
goons were also there.
Ah,
They
ah.
were also wearing the normal kind of
Normal kind of
dress.
dress. Ah, that also
But
kind
I haven't seen
yeah.
any prisoner here.
Yeah, but jail
Right.
was there, so that
Only
was
the jail
only
was
the jail
there.
was there. So
Right,
that's
so
why I'm thinking.
seriously, I'm not sure
What is
about
the context,
when the
man?
fight was there, or what is the context, or maybe some hidden
This
facts will
movie
be
is
there, or
going to be very interesting.
something will be there here, right?
Some interesting fact maybe.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
And Kamal Hassan sir, his entry scene,
His
wow.
entry scene,
That was-
his
that was it.
eyes were like speaking. He is having the ultimate level of attitude, and
Yes.
he is, I think, the outstanding personality I have ever seen at this age also.
Yeah, his attitude.
His attitude is like bomb. Okay, some
right.
of the persons in this world, some little amount of persons are there whose attitude, whose versatility is like, you know, blowing away
Right.
everyone's
With
mind.
the age
He
as
is one
well.
of them actually. He
Yes,
is one
sir.
of them.
Yeah, with his age also, he's not looking
He
like
is
that. He's
outstanding.
full energetic, full
Yeah.
attitude, and giving the audience
Yeah.
whatever the appearance
Yeah.
it needed for the character.
Yes, and also कमल हसन सर का एक स्पेशलिटी है ना कि उनका हर मूवीज थोड़ा अलग टाइप का होता है, राइट? बहुत घुमा घुमा के मतलब
Right.
इट्स वेरी
There will be lot
यूनिक.
of turns and twists.
हाँ, so this movie also will
this
be having
movie,
like
we can
that. This is the
expect-
speciality actually.
Expect here also there will be lot
There
of
will be
twists
lot
and
of
turns,
twists, yes.
or maybe a lot of the people might have known about this movie, but we seriously we don't know.
We don't know. We
any
just
context.
completely with a blank mind only we
Yes.
sit and give your reaction.
Right.
We never prepared any script or any chart or something. We just, you know, think whatever we are seeing, that is only we are conveying.
We just see
Yeah.
any scenes
Really,
without
this is
without
awesome.
getting the background context.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the first time as a first audience,
Haan,
like
first
he
audience.
don't know what is getting released.
Correct.
Sometimes it's coming in front of him, this thing, and how he is judging.
Yes.
Like that we used to judge.
Ways to judge. And really this is matlab ultimate,
Yeah.
fabulous, you know, you can say in one word, if you know, justify this whole first glass, it is fabulous.
Yes.
Okay, matlab I was stunned. That is why I told Abhay to again one more time just let's see, because I was stunned and I was thinking, oh my god, what has happened just? I want to get the context, but yes, as you
Right.
told, that
Because
context
see,
was like
Lokesh
still-
is also a super director,
Yeah.
and this whole movie is written and directed by Lokesh
Lokesh.
itself. So he's a fabulous director and also
Ah.
a story writer also. So he writes a very brilliant story. You can see in the past as well. So lot of
yes.
turns and twists will be there in this movie as well. So
Yes.
with this glance, I'm not able to understand full context.
full context,
yes,
but maybe we'll be like
soon.
seeing the teaser, the trailer, a lot of stories
Hopefully
will be there.
New Year is coming, so a lot of the things
Blast.
will be there during
Already.
that time.
दिवाली के टाइम में धमाका शुरू हो गया है. This
right.
is one more धमाका for us, and really we are super happy that this is, you know, this has come. And here it is written hashtag Kamal Hassan 232. So is this Kamal Hassan sir 232 number movie?
Yes.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh, man.
Crossing 200
Oh
limit
gosh.
is
Let's have a
itself
clap, man.
itself is a big thing, right?
We can't, you know, we just can't, you know, share how much happy we are whenever we are seeing that, yeah, someone's new movie is coming, or some super kind of, you know, actors movie is coming, and everybody is, you know, getting happy. We are also getting happy as an audience. We feel very happy from, you know, joyful from inside.
Right.
This is a
And,
great thing.
Yes, and one more thing I would like to say, like happy birthday Ulanga Nayagan. Ulaga Nayagan.
Okay, so sorry for the pronunciation.
So
Ulaga Nayagan, yes.
I'm not aware of this personality, and
who is this
seriously I'm
person?
not familiar with him. Maybe he might be a good personality, but as we are belonging from north, so a little bit
Yeah.
out of context with him.
Because it is written that deep dive into Ulaga Nayagan hashtag Kamal Hassan sir's birthday special.
Oh, okay.
What is that? You
Kamal
understood?
Hassan's birthday special.
उल्लंघन नायकन कमल हसन सर
Okay.
का बर्थडे है टुडे.
Okay,
सो सॉरी
sorry,
मैन.
man.
अब थप्पड़ खाएगा ऐसे, एक गाल पे मैं, एक गाल पे तुम, ऐसे करके थप्पड़. सॉरी.
Okay, sorry for
कमल हसन
that.
सर का बर्थडे है. हैप्पी बर्थडे सर.
Happy birthday, sir. So
May God bless you.
yes,
Okay.
many,
So
many happy returns of the day. So
Yeah.
I didn't know
we
about
didn't
that.
know that.
With
Sorry.
that name.
We
you
know.
used to-
We every day we are still learning, guys. So
Yes.
today
We
also
are
we
in the
know a
learning
fact that this is Kamal Hassan sir's birthday, and that is Kamal Hassan sir's names only. Like
Yes.
Talapati Vijay
For
sir,
us-
like that.
Right.
Right.
For
Yeah.
us, giving a reaction, it's a very means this kind of things we know each and every day.
We should know.
New things.
We should know.
For
We
us, that is there.
that is there. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Really outstanding, and like lastly, I just want to include that thing, that what a music Anirudh has
Yes.
given. That is
That's
actually the super impressive, and I am super impressed. Day by day, I am seeing this person. I am, you know, stunned like by seeing his talent. He's super talented, and really he has done brilliant job. The BGM is outstanding. I think teaser और trailer में बहुत कुछ बाकी है. Picture तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. And जब lyrical videos निकलेगा तब भी, right? This is a
Lot of
small
the
only.
things will be there, right?
Yeah. So stay tuned for that. We are also also waiting. And yeah, if you love our reaction, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.